Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kuwait, Japan. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Workspace effectively with Google Chat. Okay? This is super important. Even though I use Google Workspace daily, I still see people using Messengers, Teams, and Slack. But that's a waste if you already have Google Workspace. So today I'll cover the basic features of Google Chat and best settings for smooth usage and tips to make Google Chat super efficient. So after watching this, your productivity will skyrocket. Alright, let's dive in. Let's look at the screen. There are two ways to access Google Chat. First, from the Gmail screen. In Gmail screen, you can choose the chat. Second, from the Google Chat apps. This is Google Chat app. This works the same on mobile. You can open Google Chat from the Gmail app or directly from the Google Chat app, okay? So my recommendation is to keep Gmail and Chat on the same screen for better productivity. This way, you don't need to switch between apps. So you choose Gmail and you can change the chat on the same screen. If you don't see the chat tab in Gmail, here's how to enable it. First, you click the gear icon in Gmail top right corner. Then go to Chat and Meet customization and enable Google Chat and Google Meet. So finally click down and you see Chat and Meet on the left sidebar. Google Chat is three main sections: shortcuts, direct messages, and spaces. So shortcuts helps you navigate quickly. You can see all unread messages in one place by clicking Home, and all the messages you were mentioned you can check from @ mentions tab. So this is from Alex @ to mention my name, okay? Direct messages are for one-on-one or small group chat. Imagine a quick conversation like, hey, want to grab lunch? Spaces are for team collaboration, like a project room. It is super useful and very important tool. Actually, 19% of my work is done using Google Chat Spaces. It is possible to create different spaces for each team, project, or topic. The function to reply in threads can keep discussions organized. You can attach files and assign tasks to specific people. You can also organize everything in one place. If you are working with a team, spaces will be way more useful than direct messages. To be honest, I've created 196 Google Chat Spaces. But it's not a problem because messages automatically move to the top. When you want live, more importantly, all tasks and files stay inside each space and making them easy to find and use. So let me show you some real examples. If you are in sales, create a chat space for each client. This makes it easy to see all the important files for each client in one place and keep track of all tasks related to that client. You don't need to create folders in Google Drive or on your computer. Just store everything in the chat space and you always have quick access to what you need. So let's see, this is chat and shares files and links, and you can assign the task to specific members, okay? Second, assigning tasks is super useful. You can assign to-do items to specific people and set deadline for tasks more easily using the function. You can link tasks directly to Google Calendar and Gmail. It's fantastic. Once you set tasks with deadlines, they will automatically show up in each team member's Gmail and Google Calendar. For example, if I mark a task as done in Google Calendar, it will also be marked as done in Google Chat's to-do list. The same things happen the other way around. If I complete it in Google Chat, it updates in Google Calendar too. This smooth connection keeps everything in sync without extra effort. So here are a few tips for using Google Chat Spaces, okay? First, you can compose emails from Google Chat without switching to Gmail. Just press C while in Google Chat and a new email window will open instantly. So this trick saves tons of time since you don't need to manually open Gmail. Second, you can keep important project at the top. Click the three dots on space and select Pin. This keeps it visible at all times, so you don't lose track of crucial conversations. Third, instant Google Meet video calls. Want to start a quick meeting? Click the video icon in any chat and a Google Meet link will be sent automatically. And click here. You can start a Google Meet. Wow! First, make voice calls from Google Chat. No need to grab your phone anymore. Just click the call button in a chat and the other person will receive a phone notification. Hello?
Hello.
So this works just like a phone call but directly in Google Chat. Fifth, you can view attached files in Google Chat without switching screens. In a chat space, just click the Open in Chat button on attached file. The file will appear on the right side of the screen, allowing you to view it while still chatting at the same time. Thank you! Google Chat isn't just a chat tool, it's a powerful productivity booster. Don't forget to create spaces for each project and use the task feature to track assignments. Make sure to take advantage of shortcuts and integrations to work faster. Mastering Google Chat, you can dramatically improve your workflow, so start using these tips from today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye!